The people have been fascinated by Iqbal. O star, tell to where has departed Iqbal. The region of wisdom has, but in the kingdom of love has been entrapped Iqbal. Worthy Mr. President and dear audience, every year 9th November remind us of the momentous day and date when a child took birth in Sialkot, who changed the government setup in India and infused a new spirit among the Muslims of Indian subcontinent. It was Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal who appeared in the scene of this enigmatic world with such a delicate soul, keeping the ability to probe deeper and deeper into the fundamental nature of the weird of this ever-changing world, and with the eyes for reaching beyond the blue skies and reaching the secret of eternity. Dear audience, today our school management held a program on the birthday of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. The main purpose of conducting program to raise awareness among the students about such rare personalities. So as usual, we start our program with recitation of holy verses. For recitation, I invite Mr. Ali Raza from class 9th. He is Allah the secret, the love undefined by any definition. He is Allah, my sweet love. For Hamde Bari Tala, I invite Miss Sana Arslan from class 8th. A glorious prophet has come to us after years without hopes and profits, after years of worship on this world in the idols. He is come and illuminated us like a light that guides us into the right path and shines all so bright. For Nate Rasule Makbul, I invite Mr. Moin Faruqi from class 9th. Let's move on. We have arranged a speech competition on the life of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. So I call first contestant Mr. Zain Ali from class 7th. Very nice. Dear Mr. President, Iqbal has a unique, graceful and matchless style of himself, and his positive capabilities khudi is the realization of oneness in his main symbol, in which he used throughout his poetry. Iqbal gives the message of love, justice, hope and peace to humanity. Now Mr. Moez Ahmed from class 10th will come on stage to share his wording about Dr. Allama Iqbal to deliver a speech on Khudi. Dear audience, we will announce the result of this competition at the end of this program. Now our tiny students of class nursery present a marvelous tableau on Har Le Zahe Momin Ki Nayi Aan. So please cheer them up. Now I invite Principal Sir to come on stage and share their precious wording about Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. In the end, I request to all audience to stand up and be attentive for national anthem. Thanks for your coming and joining us.